GeoOrbital Wheel. The GeoOrbital Wheel is an innovative, all-in-one solution that converts a standard bicycle into an electric bike with remarkable ease. This unique device replaces the front wheel of most bicycles, allowing for installation in less than a minute without requiring any tools. At its core is a robust 500W brushless motor, which propels the bike to speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, delivering a fast and smooth ride. The wheel includes a removable lithium-ion battery that offers a range of up to 20 miles on a single charge, with the option to extend this to 50 miles using pedal assist. Built from aerospace-grade aluminum, the GeoOrbital Wheel is both lightweight and durable, with solid foam tires that eliminate the worry of flats. Additionally, it features regenerative braking technology, which captures energy during braking to help recharge the battery and extend its life. This design makes the GeoOrbital Wheel a highly efficient, eco-friendly, and practical solution for enhancing any bicycle. ALPEN Bike Capsule. The ALPEN Bike Capsule is a secure, weatherproof storage solution designed to protect bicycles from the elements and theft. Made from durable, roto-molded polyethylene, the capsule offers robust protection in any environment. Its sleek, modern design is not only space-efficient but also lockable, ensuring bikes are safe from unauthorized access. The capsule can accommodate a wide range of bike sizes and types, including electric bikes. With its easy installation and maintenance-free design, the ALPEN Bike Capsule is ideal for urban settings, residential areas, and workplaces, providing cyclists with peace of mind and convenience. ZYCLE GO Kit. The ZYCLE GO Kit is a compact, easy-to-install conversion kit that transforms any standard bicycle into an electric bike. The kit includes a lightweight hub motor wheel, a quick mounting bracket, and a small yet powerful battery pack. The motor is available in 250W and 350W versions, enabling speeds of up to 15.5 miles per hour or 20 miles per hour, depending on local regulations. The battery is ultra-compact and removable, providing a range of up to 15 miles on a single charge. Designed for versatility, the ZYCLE GO Kit is compatible with a wide range of bike types, including road, hybrid, and mountain bikes. Installation is straightforward, typically taking less than an hour with no specialized tools required. The kit's discreet design keeps the bike's original aesthetics intact while offering the added benefits of electric assistance, making it a practical and affordable option for commuters and cycling enthusiasts. ZYCLE Z Pro. The ZYCLE Z Pro is a high-performance smart trainer designed for cyclists seeking a realistic indoor training experience. It features a direct drive system that provides accurate power measurement and smooth resistance adjustments, simulating real-world cycling conditions. With a maximum power output of 1,200 watts and a gradient simulation of up to 15%, it challenges riders with intense workouts. The Z Pro is compatible with popular training apps like Zwift and TrainerRoad, offering seamless integration for virtual rides. Its quiet operation, compact design, and easy setup make it ideal for both beginners and advanced cyclists. Urban Aero FamilyNext. The Urban Aero FamilyNext is an electric cargo bike with a roomy front box for 3 children. It offers smooth, powerful rides with a Bosch motor and ensures safety with hydraulic disc brakes. Durable and customizable, it's perfect for eco-friendly urban transportation for families. GEPIDA THORIS Tandem. The GEPIDA THORIS Tandem is an electric tandem bike designed for shared rides. It features a Bosch Performance Line mid-drive motor for powerful, smooth assistance and a 500 Wh battery for long-range capability. The sturdy aluminum frame supports the added weight and dynamics of 2 riders, ensuring stability and comfort. Shimano Deore 10-speed gearing offers versatile shifting for various terrains, while hydraulic disc brakes deliver reliable stopping power in all conditions. The bike includes front suspension to absorb bumps and enhance ride comfort. Its dual saddles are crafted for long-distance comfort, making it ideal for couples or friends seeking an enjoyable and reliable shared cycling experience. Cyclotron Bike. The Cyclotron Bike is a state-of-the-art electric bike designed for both urban commuting and adventurous off-road riding. It is equipped with a powerful 750W rear hub motor, which offers impressive acceleration and speeds up to 28 miles per hour, making it suitable for a variety of terrains and riding styles. The bike features a high-capacity 48V lithium-ion battery, providing a long range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, allowing for extended rides without frequent recharging. The Cyclotron Bike's frame is constructed from durable aluminum, ensuring a strong yet lightweight build. Front suspension forks are included to absorb shocks and enhance comfort on uneven surfaces. For versatility, it comes with a 7-speed Shimano gear system that allows riders to adapt to different riding conditions easily. Hydraulic disc brakes offer excellent stopping power, providing safety and control in diverse weather conditions. Additionally, the bike's sleek and modern design combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, making it a standout choice for both practical and recreational use. Lumos Ultra Fly Pro. The Lumos Ultra Fly Pro helmet features integrated LED lights with bright rear and turn signal indicators for enhanced visibility. It boasts a lightweight, aerodynamic design with excellent ventilation for comfort. The helmet includes a secure fit system and adjustable straps for a personalized fit. Additionally, it has a built-in Bluetooth communication system, allowing hands-free calls and navigation. Its combination of safety, style, and functionality makes it ideal for both urban commuting and recreational cycling. Moox Bike. The Moox Bike is an advanced electric bicycle designed for a seamless riding experience in urban and recreational settings. It features a powerful 500W rear hub motor that delivers smooth acceleration and speeds up to 20 miles per hour, making it ideal for commuting and leisure rides. The bike is equipped with a high-capacity 48V lithium-ion battery that provides a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, ensuring extended rides without frequent recharging. Its lightweight aluminum frame offers durability while maintaining a sleek design. For added comfort, the Moox Bike includes a front suspension fork that smooths out rough terrain. The 7-speed Shimano gear system allows for versatile riding across various terrains, while hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power in all weather conditions. Additionally, the bike's ergonomic design includes a comfortable saddle and adjustable handlebars, ensuring a customized fit and enjoyable riding experience. HalfBike. The HalfBike is a unique and innovative personal transportation device designed for an intuitive and engaging riding experience. It features a distinctive, compact design with a single front wheel and 2 rear wheels, allowing riders to stand upright while cycling. The bike's handlebars are positioned for easy steering and control, while the rider's weight shifts naturally to maneuver the vehicle. It's powered by a lightweight, durable frame, making it highly portable and easy to store. The HalfBike includes a reliable braking system and smooth rolling wheels for a comfortable ride on various surfaces. Its minimalist design and efficient performance make it an ideal choice for urban commuting and short trips, offering a fun alternative to traditional bicycles.